sure.
Good evening, everyone, to our viewers. So today, Dr. Ridha Jain, in front of you, bringing e-talks with Vibhuti. So Vibhuti, can you tell something about yourself?
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I am Vibhuti Mehta from Sajawat. It's a small startup we started in 2020. I am running this decor company along with two other partners of mine, Preksha Jain and Kashish Jain. I have pursued my majors in chemistry and postgrad in hospital administration, and I have a parallel work running up as a teacher. But decor is a kind of to keep the creative side uh, up. So like that's how that's why I have my own decor company.
So
and thank you,
can you
Hriday, so
explain?
much to have me on this e-talk.
Most welcome, my pleasure. So can you tell me something about your Sajawat? Means how did you came up of particular that idea? Can you tell something about your partners and their specialities in your and what are their contributions to the Sajawat?
Yes, sure. So this whole decor, so the idea of the decor company popped up like one fine day. We had an event at our home, so we generally keep decorating stuffs for our cousins and relatives and friends around. So the event which we had really turned up good. And we realized that me, along with my partners Preksha Jain and Kashish Jain, we realized that how much we enjoyed doing it. It was a fun while we were decorating everything, bringing things to life. So that's how we came up with the idea. Like, come on, let's start with a decor company. Let's start with decor and let's see how it goes ahead. And that's how we just started. About my partners, so we have always divided our work. Kashish Jain takes care of all the digital marketing and all the digital platform and social media platform. Preksha, she takes care about um, she takes care about finding the new ideas, research work, along with looking for the materials we get from the market, everything. And I generally speak to the people, like I speak to the people, speak to the customers, the clients, close the deal, and then we all three together bring the special moments of their life to make it dreamy, make it possible.
That's nice, really nice. So अभी जो पेंडेमिक चल रहा है, लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, तो उसमें आप ग्रो कैसे किया अपने बिजनेस को? बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है ये. आप लोगों को फेस भी करना पड़ा होगा अपने ऑर्डर्स में थोड़ा सा शट डाउन.
Yeah, so that's an interesting question. So during this pandemic, starting with a new business and it is quite challenging. There are lots of challenges we faced. But very first thing is that none of us we don't have any event degree. Okay, so we are very immature. We were very immature at all this thing. So from procuring material to looking up for vendors, and then when all of a sudden again the lockdown hit, how to travel in the city, we had so many challenges coming up. But slowly, so rather than rushing through the whole process, we tried to go slow. We tried to take one order at a time. We try to do small things, and so even if it's in the area, if it's in the Mumbai city itself, we stop few things, like traveling outside Mumbai, like in the outskirts of Mumbai, but we did things inside Mumbai, and we took small orders where we could promise what we could actually deliver. And slowly, and we started having few contacts with the vendors, and that's slowly how we progressed through this thing, and we overcome few obstacles, and we are still facing few, but I guess we will overcome that too.
That sounds great. being a teacher and doing a job together and running a company is very hard, I guess. I have not experienced about it, so it will be clearly. So can you tell me more problems coming in the into the business you're doing, and how did you solve it?
So for example, can you give me a little bit more close-ended question, like what kind of problems are you talking about?
Problems like commitment issues that you committed to go there, but you weren't able to go, or you were not
No,
like
no, no.
as per the expectation decorations.
Till now,
So,
by God's grace, we never faced this problem. We never had any commitment issues. We committed only if we could deliver. If there was a slightest chance that we would face any kind of issue, we have this policy, company policy, that we are very transparent to our client. So if there is any change, a slightest change in the plan, the first thing we do is we update our client. We get our client into confidence. We look for their decision about it, and then only we go ahead in our work. We just don't jump to a conclusion among us. We make sure that client, when the client is with us, is a part of our team and not just a client. So that's how we never faced any issues till now. We always committed,
that's
and we
great.
always made sure whatever design they wanted, we have brought it to the mark.
That sounds very great. It's very important to be consistent and to be stand up on our words, to stand to our words. So, what about, what do you think, and what have you learned from your Sajawat company, having no event degree and having no experience about it? What have you learned till now?
Mm, we have learned many small small things. So as we don't have any event degree, the first thing, we had no idea how to go about. So when we were at this question, when we were questioning ourselves कि अभी यहाँ कैसे करेंगे, how we will go about, हमें कुछ नहीं पता है, we sat down, we noted down the things which, as a customer, if I am a customer, like if I go to some event company and I want to do something for my setup, so what would I expect? So we try to put ourselves in our customer's shoes. What will the customer expect? We made a list of the things, list of the questions which they would have. Then we answer those questions. Okay, ये query है, तो इस query का हम जवाब कैसे देंगे? We try to find out the local vendors जिनसे हमने हमारे पर्सनल बेसिस पे काम किया, हमारे पर्सनल रिलेटेड काम किया है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, the local vendors, the people near our area, who have helped us from our childhood, have been a great help in our work. There are people who have opened shop for us at 12 in the night, at 5 in the morning, to just get things which we want. So slowly and slowly, we actually had our Q&As with our own self, putting ourselves in our customer shoes, and we try to solve problem and come up with a solution that way.
So much of struggle and so much of the quality work you are doing. If we can see that properly. So, can you tell me, if a person, a newbie, just like you guys, want to start a business of decorating, so what all things should he or she consider and to be prepared of? And is it profitable, or is it just that you are doing for your creativeness to experience new thing?
See, whenever we start any new setup, any new business, profit is a thing which, if we think from start कि हमें इतना profit होना ही चाहिए start से, so business doesn't work that way. Initially, you have to be prepared for the loss, because we don't know. We can't test the water until unless you are in the water. So when you go in the water, there's a chance that you might drown or you might swim. But then we have to take that chances. So we generally I would suggest to the people that if anyone wants to start with this whole thing, be ready for the trial and error things. Be ready कि आपका loss होगा. Be ready जहाँ पे you might have no profit, no loss thing, and be ready that where you might make a good profit. But the things will come only as you go in. Now, when you want to start up in your own company, first decide the theme you want to work on. Like आपको birthdays ही करना है, आपको proposals ही करना है, आपको कोई wedding theme ही करना है, तो stick to one thing. आप एक साथ सारे themes नहीं करो. Stick to one theme. thing, and then start with the basic thing you can do in it rather than going to a very high fund thing. Because see, initially if you have a team, के आपके पास तो डेकोर को लेके बलून वाला भी है, ये सब कुछ है, and you are ready to do, and from that you can make a profit. The question is, you can make a profit from investing in those people, then go for it. But if you can't, go from very small things where you can do, where you can have your own confidence. Just don't care, हाँ देख लिया जाएगा, कर लेंगे, नहीं. You should know that you should be confident enough कि हम ये छोटी चीज ही कर रहे हैं, पर we are doing it, and then slowly so you can move ahead. That's how the work can go ahead.
So that's very good. And it will really help, I think, because I also get some idea about the decoration. So what do you think, if I have a creative mind, so I can pursue the future or as a full-time decorator company, or what should I do?
Then anyone can do anything only if you believe in yourself. And if you feel that you have a creative mind, and why not try it out? You need to believe in yourself. You should be 100% committed to it, and you should be loyal and truthful to yourself first and then to the client. So if all those things have a check, so you can do anything you want to do.
Okay, so last question, very important. What do you think? You could do it alone, or you need a team to build
No. If you want to build an empire, you always need a team. You can learn from the history. No empire, be it small or big, is successful without a team. A king alone can't rule a kingdom. They need their own empire. So that way, a person alone can't make things possible. Even if I would have been a single owner of the company, I wouldn't be doing mere niche that. I would have a team to do it. So it doesn't matter I'm having partners or no, but you need a team. You need everything. There are small things which have to be taken care of. खाली decor करके सिर्फ decor नहीं होता, उसमें बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है जो हमें करना पड़ता है to achieve that final product which you see on our page. What you see the final product, but what things we go through to get that final product is our story. So you need a team.
That's very thoughtful. Very thoughtful quotes you quoted here. I think I'm also very motivated from this. So thanks a lot, Vibhuti, coming here, giving your time, and I hope you do well in future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for inviting me to have a small talk. Guys, do follow our page. Insta handle is Sajawat, SAJAAVAT_17. See you.
Do follow her and RC Hinduja also.
Yes,
thank you guys.
Do follow RC Hinduja too. Yeah, bye.